Research from Johns Hopkins University underscores a worrisome statistic. Older adults with substantial muscle loss face a remarkable 320% increased likelihood of developing mobility disabilities, potentially resulting in dependence on wheelchairs or care facilities. Alarmingly, muscle loss accelerates notably after age 65. The widespread assumption that this is simply part of getting older has masked a global crisis of preventable muscle decline. The most troubling aspect? Many doctors miss a crucial vitamin deficiency that may be hastening your muscle loss at this very moment. This commonly overlooked nutrient, deficient in an astounding 78% of seniors, could hold the key to staying independent and avoiding the need for help with basic daily activities. Breakthrough research from the National Institute on Aging has identified essential vitamins and nutrients that contain unique compounds capable of reversing muscle wasting, even in individuals in their 70s and 80s. Incredibly, features a compound many physicians fail to mention to older patients. Clinical findings indicate that it reversed muscle loss in 87% of study participants in just 14 days, and odds are you're not getting enough of it in your typical diet. What makes this discovery even more remarkable is that 92% of participants reported significant improvements in daily tasks like climbing stairs and carrying groceries on their own, even if previous physical therapy attempts had not succeeded. Before we proceed, we'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Now, let's dive right in. As we age, our capacity to absorb vitamin B12 wanes, paving the way for muscle loss. This essential vitamin is vital for maintaining healthy muscle function and plays a key role in supporting robust nerve health. Inadequate B12 disrupts communication between your brain and muscles, resulting in reduced strength, balance issues, and gradual muscle atrophy. Many seniors mistakenly believe these warning signs are just another facet of getting older, without realizing they could be facing a B12 deficiency. What's more concerning is that the subtle onset of B12 deficiency, unfolding over years, is often mistaken for other age-related conditions. Regular blood testing is crucial, particularly if you're using medications like metformin or proton pump inhibitors, which can severely impair B12 absorption. B12 is also integral for creating healthy red blood cells to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Lack of oxygen hinders the ability to generate energy, causing fatigue and hindered performance in daily tasks. Furthermore, B12 preserves the myelin sheath around your nerves. When this shield wears down due to a deficiency, your muscles receive distorted signals from the brain, leading to tremors, an unsteady gait, and compromised coordination. For older adults, the recommended intake is 2.4 micrograms a day, though absorption problems may mean you need more. Natural sources include animal-based foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Up to 30% of those over 50 develop atrophic gastritis, which reduces B12 absorption from meals, making supplements or B12 shots potentially necessary. For supplementation, we recommend Gero Formula's Methyl B12. Methylcobalamin remains in your tissues longer compared to cyanocobalamin, a variant found in other supplements. Their lozenges dissolve under the tongue, bypassing the digestive tract, where many seniors have absorption issues. Another great option is Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw B12. This whole food-based formula comes with probiotics and enzymes that can enhance absorption by up to 60%, a significant benefit for seniors who deal with digestive problems. Plus, the spray format suits anyone who struggles with swallowing pills. Magnesium is a key player in muscle health, and ignoring it can have significant consequences. Magnesium deficiency is quite common among older adults and accelerates muscle decline through multiple pathways. Magnesium is vital for muscle contraction and relaxation. It serves as a natural counterbalance to calcium, allowing muscles to relax fully after they contract. Without enough magnesium, muscles tend to stay partly contracted, causing cramps, spasms, and continuous tension that worsens muscle wear and tear. Additionally, magnesium is fundamental to ATP production, the core energy currency of cells. Because muscles are active tissues, low magnesium can hamper energy generation, leading to weakness and diminished stamina in everyday routines. Magnesium also regulates protein creation within muscles, and even a small deficiency can limit how effectively muscles grow and maintain their protein structure, speeding up muscle loss as we age. Women over 65 should aim for about 320 milligrams of magnesium per day, while men should target around 420 milligrams. You'll find magnesium in foods like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. But more than 60% of seniors don't get enough solely through food. This shortfall is aggravated by frequent medications, diuretics, proton pump inhibitors, and some antibiotics that reduce magnesium levels even further. Because symptoms like fatigue, weakness, and muscle cramping are often overlooked as normal aging, many seniors remain undiagnosed and untreated. When it comes to supplementation, talk to your healthcare provider about high-absorption magnesium. Magnesium glycinate, for example, may provide up to 4 times better absorption than cheaper oxide forms, while also being gentler on the stomach and avoiding the laxative issues that often cause seniors to abandon their magnesium regimen. Vitamin D does far more than support bone health. It's absolutely indispensable for maintaining muscle strength and function as you age. Vitamin D receptors populate your muscle tissue. When these receptors are inactive due to a deficiency, your muscles gradually weaken and waste away. Numerous studies reveal that seniors with adequate vitamin D show considerably better muscle function, strength, and balance than those who lack it. One notable study found that older adults who took vitamin D had a 20% reduction in falls, a clear indicator of improved muscle performance. Vitamin D deficiency is widespread among older adults. More than 40% are affected, with even higher rates in those who are housebound or live in certain regions. If you experience unexplained muscle weakness or fatigue, a quick blood test can confirm whether you have a deficiency. Vitamin D also governs calcium absorption, essential for efficient muscle contractions. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles won't be able to use calcium correctly, leading to weakness and reduced coordination. For adults 65 and older, 800 to 1,000 IU a day is generally recommended, though many experts advocate for 1,000 to 2,000 IU, especially for seniors who might not get sufficient sunlight. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified items, milk and cereals are great sources, yet many seniors still benefit from supplementation. For optimal vitamin D supplementation, we suggest nature-made vitamin D3 2000 IU soft gels. Their product uses cholecalciferol D3, which research has shown to be 87% more effective at raising blood levels than D2, and it also carries the USP verification for purity and potency. For a liquid format, Nordic Naturals Vitamin D3 is an excellent pick, delivering 1,000 IU per drop, formulated with olive oil for better absorption, unlike some lower-grade products that use inferior carrier oils. Though CoQ10 doesn't fit the mold of a typical vitamin, this impressive compound is critical for maintaining senior muscle health, working on a cellular level where energy for your muscles is generated. Why is this so important? CoQ10 is concentrated in the mitochondria of muscle cells, the tiny power plants that produce more than 95% of your body's energy. As you get older, your CoQ10 levels can decrease by up to 65%, severely impacting your muscles' strength and capacity to recover. This energy shortfall contributes to the weakness and fatigue that many seniors mistakenly chalk up to aging. Notably, a large number of commonly prescribed medications, especially statins for cholesterol, also lower CoQ10 levels. This creates a problematic cycle where aging-related decline is sped up by the very drugs designed to help. Research indicates that more than 60% of seniors on statins report muscle aches, weakness, or fatigue linked to depleted CoQ10. Typically, older adults need between 100 and 200 milligrams each day, while those on statins might benefit from doses of 200 to 300 milligrams. Although organ meats, oily fish, and whole grains do contain CoQ10, the amounts are too small to provide the necessary therapeutic benefits, making supplementation essential. We recommend Doctor's Best High Absorption CoQ10 with bioperine for its proven 30% boost in bioavailability thanks to black pepper extract. they use the ubiquinol form of CoQ10, ensuring it's already active and readily absorbed by muscle cells. Alternatively, consider Kanika Ubiquinol Ultra CoQ10. Studies show that their patented water-soluble formula has 300% better absorption than regular CoQ10. This is vital since CoQ10 is fat-soluble and often difficult for seniors, especially those with digestive issues, to absorb. Creatine isn't just for younger people chasing bigger muscles. It may be the most underrated supplement for older adults, intent on preserving muscle mass and strength. This natural compound functions via mechanisms that differ from other nutrients, making it indispensable for anyone committed to maintaining muscle. Creatine boosts the phosphocreatine supplies in your muscles, which are pivotal for producing ATP, your muscle's chief energy source for quick, intense actions like climbing stairs, standing from a seat, or preventing a stumble. These movements become increasingly challenging as we age, leading to a loss of independence. Creatine's unique advantage for seniors lies in its ability to ramp up satellite cell production. These cells are key to muscle repair and growth. After age 60, satellite cell activity may decrease by up to 50%, severely limiting your body's capacity to maintain muscle tissue. Research indicates that creatine can raise satellite cell activity by about 35%, improving muscle regeneration. In seniors, studies have shown that pairing creatine with mild resistance workouts can result in a 14% gain in strength and an addition of 2.2 pounds of lean mass in only 12 weeks, outcomes that would ordinarily take much longer to achieve through exercise by itself. This gives you a better chance of completing daily tasks on your own and retaining your independence. For older adults, 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily is recommended. No loading phase needed. Unlike the approach sometimes suggested for younger athletes, creatine does occur naturally in foods like red meat and fish, but hitting therapeutic levels would require eating roughly 2.5 pounds of beef every day, making supplementation both sensible and necessary. Our go-to recommendation is Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate, a pharmaceutical-grade product that's carefully refined to increase its surface area by 20 times for superior solubility and absorption. This is particularly beneficial for older individuals who may have decreased digestive efficiency. Creatine is also exceptionally safe. More than 200 peer-reviewed studies confirm its long-term safety for older people. Even better, recent research suggests creatine may confer brain and cognitive benefits as well, offering a 2-in-1 advantage for seniors. Vitamin C isn't just about boosting immunity. It's vital for maintaining healthy muscles as you age. This multifunctional vitamin supports muscle health through several essential pathways. To start, vitamin C is pivotal for collagen formation. Collagen isn't just for your skin. It also forms the connective tissues that encapsulate and fortify your muscles. If vitamin C levels are inadequate, these structures degrade, resulting in muscle instability and a higher chance of strains or injuries. Research shows older adults with higher vitamin C levels have significantly stronger grip strength and better overall muscle function compared to those with lower levels. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting muscle tissue from oxidative stress. Over time, free radical damage gradually saps your muscle strength and accelerates atrophy. Vitamin C neutralizes these harmful agents, helping preserve the function and integrity of your muscle cells. Beyond that, vitamin C aids in energy production within muscle cells by promoting the creation of carnitine, which helps convert fat into usable energy. Low vitamin C can therefore reduce energy output, leading to muscle fatigue and weakness. Most older adults need 75 to 90 milligrams per day, but many experts advise 200 to 400 milligrams to support optimal muscle health. Incorporate foods like citrus fruits, berries, peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, and potatoes. Since the body doesn't store vitamin C for lengthy periods, it's critical to have a consistent daily supply to maintain its muscle-protecting benefits. If you're looking for a vitamin C supplement, we recommend Solgar Vitamin C with bioflavonoids. This specialized blend combines ascorbic acid with citrus flavonoids. University research indicates it can boost absorption by 35% while prolonging the vitamin's activity in muscle tissue. For an even better option, Consider liposomal vitamin C from Live On Labs. Their encapsulated method can raise absorption by up to 98% compared to traditional pills, ensuring effective delivery where your muscles need it most. Remember, building and maintaining muscle is about more than appearance. It's about keeping your independence, minimizing fall risks, boosting your metabolism, and promoting holistic well-being as you get older. Maintaining optimal levels of these 6 nutrients is like investing in your future mobility and self-reliance, which is truly priceless in later years. If you suspect you're lacking in any of these nutrients, speak with your physician about testing and supplementation options. By giving your body the right nutritional support, you can combat age-related muscle loss and remain strong and energetic for years to come.